National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pima County in southeastern Arizona, north central Santa Cruz County in southeastern Arizona, until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 3:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Tubac and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly remote areas of southeastern Pima and north central Santa Cruz counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: Santa Cruz and Southeast Pima.